Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
From the Vault of Civilizations, we are exploring the heart of Nestle NIDO's manufacturing process right here at Sunrise.
Today, our team enters one of the world's most advanced milk factories.
Everything begins with fresh milk, collected under strict temperature control.
Every drop is tested for purity and safety before production begins.
Extreme heat destroys dangerous bacteria and prepares the milk for processing.
Powerful vacuum systems slowly transform liquid milk into concentrated form.
This is where liquid milk becomes powder used around the world.
Every gram is scientifically balanced for perfect nutrition. The factory moves like a giant machine, working non-stop every second.
Vault of Civilizations has uncovered the hidden journey behind one of the world's most famous milk products.
Every second inside this factory is controlled with scientific precision.
One mistake in temperature can destroy an entire batch.
Every pipeline is cleaned constantly to maintain perfect hygiene. Thousands of liters of milk are monitored every hour.
The safety standards here are stricter than most laboratories.
The milk travels through a giant network of advanced systems. These powerful machines never stop running. Every sample must pass strict inspection. Advanced science protects every can produced here.
Without these tests, production cannot continue.
Now the real transformation begins. Most of the water is removed during this stage. Extreme pressure controls the entire process.
Every machine is monitored every second.
This thick liquid is moments away from becoming powder.
Hot air instantly transforms liquid into powder. Massive filters capture every tiny particle.
Human effort keeps the entire system clean and safe. Even machine temperatures are constantly monitored.
This is where science transforms milk into nutritional powder.
The powder now enters the final nutritional stage.
Every nutrient is added with incredible accuracy.
Technology and human expertise work together here. Each formula must meet strict nutritional standards.
Every formula is designed for perfect consistency.
Massive mixers combine everything perfectly. Cleanliness inside this factory is extremely important.
Even tiny moisture changes can affect the final product.
Thousands of workers help maintain world-class safety.
The final powder is now ready for packaging.
Now the packaging process begins. Precision machines fill every container perfectly. Every seal must be airtight and secure. Advanced robotics ensure perfect sealing.
Every batch is tested before leaving the factory.
Every can be traced instantly through digital systems. Robotic systems prepare products for worldwide delivery. Robotic systems prepare products for worldwide delivery. Millions of products are stored before shipment.
Millions of cans leave this factory every month.
The final inspection is the most important stage. Advanced scanners search for even the smallest problems.
Only the strongest packaging survives testing.
Every product must look perfect before shipping. Automation controls the massive shipping operation. The final products now begin their journey across the world.
Thousands of people work together to power this giant industry.
Behind every can is the effort of workers, engineers, and scientists.
Human dedication keeps this giant factory alive every day.
Vault of Civilizations has uncovered the complete hidden journey behind one of the world's most advanced milk production systems.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors' concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.